From this video, you will get tips to prepare for 64022T Administering Avaya Cloud Office Specialized Test. What is 64022T Administering Avaya Cloud Office Specialized Test? Avaya Cloud Office Administrator, ASAC 0030, Credential. (64022T Exam Topics). Study strategies for success. 1. Which strategy is most effective when managing user groups to ensure seamless access to necessary resources? A. Regularly updating user roles based on job performance. B. Tailoring access permissions to the specific needs of each group. C. Allowing users to choose their own group memberships. D. Automating the addition of new users to default groups. Answer: B. 2. Why would an administrator choose to set up specific private call park locations? A. To reduce costs associated with call handling. B. To streamline the process of call retrieval. C. To provide personalized service options. D. To enhance confidentiality and control over calls. Answer: D. 3. What are the significant advantages of utilizing advanced IVR menus in handling customer inquiries? A. Decreasing the reliance on human agents. B. Increasing direct marketing opportunities. C. Simplifying product return processes. D. Reducing the need for online support. Answer: A. 4. When would an administrator need to consider deleting user extensions rather than just disabling them? A. When the user changes departments. B. When the user is on a long leave of absence. C. When the user is permanently leaving the company. D. When the user's role within the company changes. Answer: C. 5. Why is it important to consider the scalability of new devices when ordering for a growing company? A. To accommodate increasing user numbers. B. To maximize investment returns. C. To avoid frequent updates. D. To streamline the installation process. Answer: A. 6. What challenges might be encountered when swapping phones and changing extension numbers in a high-security environment? Choose 2. A. Ensuring all data is securely transferred. B. Preventing unauthorized access during the swap. C. Coordinating with external IT support. D. Maintaining daily operations without interruptions. Answer: A, B. 7. How can updating the 911 settings impact emergency response effectiveness? A. By ensuring accurate location data. B. By reducing the time to connect to emergency services. C. By providing caller identification. D. By logging the call duration. Answer A. 8. What considerations are critical when managing call handling and forwarding features for remote teams? A. Configuring different time zones. B. Assigning roles based on seniority. C. Integrating mobile and landline forwarding. D. Implementing secure connections. Answer D. 9. When changing and swapping phones and extension numbers, what are the key factors to ensure continuity? Choose 2. A. Verifying user access permissions. B. Updating the internal directory. C. Reassigning old extension numbers. D. Documenting the change process. Answer A. B. 10. Which strategies are effective for managing the setup of presence indicators on devices and apps? A. Centralizing control through administrative settings. B. Allowing user customization of indicators. C. Implementing standardized indicators across the organization. D. Integrating indicators with external communication tools. Answer C. Check the correct answers for each question.